In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to open Spitfire plugins in Ableton Live. This process will vary slightly depending on whether your library has a dedicated plugin or if it opens using Contact Full or Contact Player. If you are uncertain which type of library yours is, you can check on the product page for the library on the Spitfire website or refer to our article linked in the description of this video. Regardless of the type of library you're looking for, you will want to first ensure that you've downloaded the library via the Spitfire Audio app and followed the relevant instructions that were included with your purchase email. Further instructions on the download and installation process are available in other tutorials on our Clips channel or in articles in the Spitfire Audio Support Center link in this video description. If your Spitfire library has a dedicated plugin, you will find this under the Plugins from the Collections menu. Ableton has the option of loading multiple types of plugins depending on your system. You can customize the folders that appear by heading to Live, Preferences, Plugins. You can load your plugin in either Session View as shown here, or in Arrangement View by clicking here. From your folders on the left, whichever plugin type you want to use, click the drop-down menu, and then depending on the plugin, you will find it listed under either Spitfire Audio or SA Recordings. With your instrument track selected, simply find your plugin from the list and double-click to open. If you're searching for a Contact Player library, you will again head to the Plugins menu, find the relevant plugin type folder, select Native Instruments, and load your version of Contact by double-clicking. You may load either Contact Player, which is the free version, or a full version of Contact if you've purchased this from Native Instruments as shown in this example. Once you open up Contact, simply browse through the Library section. Choose your instrument, and then beneath the artwork, choose Instruments and double-click to load. If you are using Contact 7 and prefer to use the rack view, you can find your plugin by browsing the list and then selecting the bank on the right-hand side. If you're opening a library that requires the full version of Contact, you will load this by browsing the Files tab within Contact. If you're using Contact 7, we recommend using the old browser view instead of rack view. Once you've loaded your full version of Contact into your software instrument track, then click on the Files tab. You will then need to browse to where you have installed your library folder, then simply open the folder, open the Instruments folder, select your instrument and double-click to load, and then you're all set to go.
Thanks for watching Spitfire Clips. Let us know if it was too long, too short, too fast or too slow in the comments down below. Hit like if we answered your question and subscribe for more clips, tips, tricks and exclusive Spitfire content.